Hey everybody, welcome to Profit Copilot. My name is Mick Meaney, and this channel is all about helping you to get more independence and freedom through online entrepreneurship. So if that sounds good, hit the subscribe button and you get another video like this tomorrow. So today we're talking about squeeze pages. You might know them also as landing pages, and these allow people to subscribe to your email list in exchange for a lead magnet, which we created yesterday. Now, I am going to use software called Thrive Architect, but listen, you don't need to invest in any software to do this. Do you know what? You can set up an online business and make money from it practically for free using free methods and using free tools. That is an option for you if you want to go down that road. Of course, if you invest in professionally designed software and platforms, then you will get to where you want to go quicker. But you don't have to invest that much. Obviously, I would say get a real domain name. So you're, a proper domain name, professional domain name. It doesn't matter if it's a .com or even a .info if you want. It doesn't matter. Invest in proper hosting. I think that's essential, and in an email list builder, so something like ActiveCampaign or Aweber. For the purpose of speed and simplicity, I am using Thrive Architect. We've got lots of options when it comes to squeeze pages. I like to have control over everything in my business, and that's why I recommend using Thrive Themes. If you're absolutely lazy and you just want someone to do it for you, which is another option we have, and why not, then I can recommend Commerce Warriors, and they will build a funnel system for you and do all this for you. And I think it's somewhere between $99 and $300 a month for that, but I can certainly recommend those guys. If you really don't want to invest anything at the moment, just head over to wordpress.org, type in the plugins landing page or squeeze page, and there you're going to get tons for free. Okay, so just go through, find one that suits your needs, save yourself a few quid if you want to. So I'm using Thrive Themes and Thrive Architect because that is what works best for me at the moment. That might change tomorrow, who knows. So in WordPress, we're going to go to the pages section. We're going to hit add new. Then we need to give this a title. So free ebook for detox. Edit with Thrive Architect. And then here, if we go to this little cog, we can choose, let me find it, choose a landing page template, and we've got loads to choose from here, ready-made ones for us. Now, because I'm using an ebook, I don't need to show video. So let me just have a look through some of these. Let's go for a really simple one. Let's choose that one. And I'm not going to mess around with this too much, apart from I'm not too keen on the pink background. So I'm going to get rid of that. Get rid of the image. I'm just going to keep it white, keep it very simple for now. So the components that we really need on a squeeze page, and it doesn't matter what system you are using, but the components are always going to be the same. So we will either need some kind of visual reference to the lead magnet, so we can use a video. I think that produces the best results in my experience anyway. Or we need a digital version of a product, of a book. So here I'm going to change image. I'm going to get one that I've already got made, so hit that, and there you can see there's some kind of visual reference. Now, one of the most important things on a squeeze page is the headline, so we need to make a really bold promise. So feel great, look great, 7 days, the next 7 days with the complete guide to detox. We might also want to say that it's free, so maybe 100% free really make the free bits stand out. Now we can get a bit wordy if we want to, but I've found that just having a few bullet points conveys the message really clearly, because people don't read big chunks of text on squeeze pages. They will watch a video and all that stuff, but really they just want to know what you can do for them very quickly so they can make a decision, do they want it or not. So let's drag in some bullet points. Let's scroll down to style list, drag this into Thrive. Where do we want to put it? I would say underneath the, yeah, that'll do. So we'll put benefit 1, then benefit 2, benefit 3. And just like your headline, we're going to have benefits here. So on the page, there's going to be at least 4 benefits. In fact, in the headline, we have got 3, maybe 4 benefits, maybe 5 if we include the fact that it's free. So feel great, which is a benefit, look great, which is another benefit, in the next 7 days, that's a benefit, with the complete guide to detox, another benefit, and it's 100% free, which is another benefit. So as you can see, what we're doing on the squeeze page is loading up the benefits, and that's the secret to a really effective squeeze page, one that converts really well, is just stack up the benefits. And then here we have the opt-in form, and we can connect that to a service. Here I'm going to connect it to ActiveCampaign, connect it to my website. I'm going to give it a tag, detox PDF, continue, then we set these as required. Now the redirect URL, this is really important for you, okay? I want you to paste in your website address here. So it's going to be, that's the website I'm using for this demo. So I would call it Detox OTO, and the OTO stands for one-time offer, and this will become clear as we go into this process. So I'm going to take a note of the name of the page, so Detox OTO, and then I'm going to hit save on Thrive. Now we go back to the pages bit in WordPress, add new, and here I want you to paste in Detox OTO, or whatever you call in the page, and then we hit save draft. Now here we hit add media, we can go to upload files, and here we drag in the PDF document and set it as a link to download. And the reason that we have called this an OTO, one-time offer, is because at some point in the very near future we're going to put an offer on this page for our customers or potential customers. So I'm going to leave it there because I've given you an awful lot of information, a lot to do today. So get cracking, set up your squeeze page, upload your lead magnet to WordPress, set the links, make sure that everything is connected properly, so when someone subscribes to your list, they'll be redirected to the right page. Make sure that page has got the download link to your PDF. I'll leave it there. So I hope you found this useful. If you have, then hit the like button below, because that tells me I need to create more content like this. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell notification icon, and you will get another video like this tomorrow, and that will help you to get more independence and freedom through online entrepreneurship. Thank you for watching, hope you have a great day, and I will see you tomorrow.